Hey guys, what is up? So today we're here with an unboxing video. So today we will be unboxing the blue Yeti Blackout. So let's see what we got here. Alright, so we got our USB port right here. We got the instruction manual. Some Ghost Recon souvenir, whatever thing. Alright, here we go. Alright, so here is the microphone, guys. So it has a nice, firm, heavy feel to it. Gives it a very nice professional feel. You can adjust it, you can move it around. Alright, so here they got a mute button, and you can adjust the volume. I don't know if that's I'm guessing that is the amount of volume that the microphone picks up. So if you're talking to it really close, you can set it to a low frequency. Or if you're speaking all the way from across the room, you can set it pretty high. So next I will be doing the outro with the audio coming from here, so you guys can tell the difference. Oh, and as a bonus, I also got this pop filter right here. Okay, so this is the P sound without the pop filter. Puh. And this is the P sound with the pop filter. Puh. Puh. Yeah, so I'm just looking at the audio on my screen right here, and you can clearly see that the pop filter definitely makes a big difference. Yeah, so it's a Knox Gear pop filter, so I definitely recommend it.